Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me focus this a little bit better. It looks a little funny with the camera on, but I think you'll be able to read this. Kate and James baked a chocolate cake together. Kate said that eating 1/3 of the cake is the same as eating 2/6 of the cake. James said that eating 1/3 of the cake is the same as eating 2/4 of the cake. Who is correct to use a visual model to explain? So what we've been learning, as you remember, we have been learning equivalent fractions, and we have learned two strategies in showing equivalency. One is by drawing a model, and the second is by number line. I'm going to show both of them because either one would work in this situation. So first of all, let's say that this is my cake right here. And Kate said that eating 1/3 of the cake. So I'm going to divide one cake into thirds. Okay? Then she said it's the same as eating 2/6 of the cake. So I'm going to draw another cake the same size. And I'm going to divide it into sixths. Then I'm going to look here at James. James said that eating 1/3 of the cake is the same as eating 2/4. So I'm going to draw another cake the same size. There's no cake police. There's no drawing police. We're doing it the best we can. It does not have to be absolutely 100% precise. And so I am dividing it into fourths. Okay. So I'm going to use another color to help myself, but if you only have your pencil, that's okay. I'm just using another color right now so it can show up a little bit better. So this is 1/3 right here. This is 2/6. And this is 2/4. Okay. And I'm going to label this because I don't want to forget what it is. 1/3, 2/6, 2/4. Now I can look at that. When I look at that, which one is the same as 1/3? Mary Elena? 2/6. Do you see this, Lily? Do you see? They're exactly the same size. So I can say that Kate is correct. Now had I used a number line, it would look something like this. And with a number line, you're going to make a 0 and a 1. I'm going to need 3 number lines because I have to compare all 3 fractions. Okay, so this one I'm going to break up into 3 equal pieces. Oops. This is why it's okay to mess up. One about here and one about there. Alright, so this will be 1/3, this will be 2/3. And 3/3 is the same as 1 whole. This I'm going to break up into 6 pieces. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. And 1 whole is the same as 6/6. I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit. This one I'm going to break up into fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 1 is the same as 4/4. When I show 1/3 here, I'm going to take my crayon and do this. When I show 2/6 here, I'm going to do that. It's okay to do this with your pencil. You do not have to do it in color. I am doing it in color right now because it's a lot easier to show up on the screen. And then this is 2/4. And I can visually see right now that these are the same size. So the way that I would answer this question is, Kate is correct because 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. And there's your answer.